Hello, I am Viviana, and in this video I want to show you 3 things that you can do to improve the traffic to your website. So those 3 things are content, citations, and backlinks. When we look at the content of your front page, I really like it because it has very nice pictures, and in here you have all of the services that you provide, so that's very easy to navigate. One thing that you can do to improve your website is actually to increase the number of words that it has. Because when it comes to Google, Google wants to see at least 1,500 words, and yours at the moment has 357 words. Because it's nice to have a very nice website, but it's also important, or more important, the content that you have in your website so that Google can actually find you and can rank you at the top. So you can look at including 1,100 words, a little bit more, with relevant keywords, and you're going to be optimized for Google. Now, when I had a look at your competitors, so these are nationwide companies, but we look at the landing companies for the specific location where you are in. And this one, for example, Rebus, they have 560 words, so a little bit more than yours. And these ones, they have Bad Planet, they have 686 words. So it's, yeah, a little bit more than yours. Now, the way I came across your company is because I type in a bathroom remodel Las Vegas, and this is what we know as a buyer intent keyword. So anything that someone types into Google when they want to buy a product or a service. In here, you're going to find the Google Ads section, which are good at driving traffic to websites, but they can be expensive if they are not done correctly. And on the flip side, some people actually turn off the ads so they cannot see them, and they just go straight into the Google Maps. And the Google Maps are good because they are able to drive a lot of traffic. So to rank at the top of the Google Maps, you need citations, and citations is anywhere your business is listed on a directory, such as Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp, all of those. And your details on those directories need to match those of yours in your Google business profile. So the business name, the address, the phone number, they have to be exactly the same. That's my second tip. Now, the organic search. To rank at the top of the organic search, it's a combination of both the content on your website, but also what is known as backlinks. And to analyze the backlinks, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And Ahrefs here is showing us that there are 38 websites with 82 backlinks pointing at your website. And that's exactly a backlink, a link on a website that is directing traffic to yours. So you want to have more backlinks and powerful backlinks. And you have to think about it like a popularity contest, where the person with the most likes is the person that is going to win, but not just any like. You want those likes from influencers. So it's exactly the same with a backlink. You want to have backlinks on relevant websites related to the services that you provide, and to the geographic areas that you serve. So that's very important. Let's have a look at your competitors. They have 50 referring domains. Look at this, with more than 1,000 backlinks. So that's why backlinks are important, because they pass on that power to your website. And Bad Planet, they have 23 referring domains with 69 backlinks. Look, this is very beatable. You can outrank these 2 pages and rank at the top for these 2 competitors. Now let's have a look at those keywords that people are searching for. This tool actually shows us here that you are ranking for these keywords, and this tool is also showing us that this is the search volume per month for those keywords. So this is how many times this keyword is searched on a month. And in here we have the positions that you are ranking for those keywords. So it makes sense that you are ranking first for Tridel construction. But for example, what if we search remodel and I couldn't find anything, or Las Vegas home additions. So you're ranking on the 13th position, but this one, it doesn't have too much traffic or volume, right? So anything where you are like appearing, so this column, the position, shows me in which position you are appearing for any given keyword that people search. So if you're appearing on the anything beyond the 10th position, it means that people are not looking at you because people are not clicking on the second page or beyond of Google. Now let's have a look at your competitors. So what are they targeting on their websites? So if I look at the value intent keywords, so for example, Las Vegas bathroom remodel, they're appearing on the first position and there's a search volume of 100 per month and they're able to drive 36 visits to their website. Bath remodel in Las Vegas, 70. Shower remodel Las Vegas, 100. And because they're appearing on the first positions, they are getting these many visits per month. Bathroom remodel in Las Vegas, Nevada, 40. Um, bathroom remodel, look at this one. Bathroom remodel Las Vegas, 500 searches per month, but they're even ranking on the 26th position. Or bathroom vanities Las Vegas, 32nd position. So perhaps those two keywords are keywords that you could target and include on your front page so that you are able to drive more traffic to your website. So that's the importance of keywords. So just to recap, we covered content. So you need more and more relevant content with including those keywords that we just spoke about. You need citations that agree with your Google business profile, and you need more powerful backlinks. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like what you saw in here, please feel free to arrange a one-on-one consultation with me. I will be more than happy to have that conversation with you. My details are at the bottom of this email, and I really appreciate if you can just give me some feedback. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.